Okay, packing video, take one. I got my toiletry bag already. I got my Clorox wipes, makeup wipes, normal toiletries, more toiletry foolishness. I love this bag. I copied off of my daughter. When we went on vacation in March, she had this. We got it from Amazon. And you really can put everything in here. It's really kind of heavy. You don't have to have a whole bunch of different bags for toiletry items. But me being Janine, as you can see, I have a lot of foolishness on top of foolishness. This is my makeup, other stuff bag that I couldn't fit in there or didn't want to put in there. Then I have another bag for just my sunscreen and more makeup wipes and Lysol because people are filthy. Let's see. I have, my closet is dirty. Yes, it is, but mind your business. I have to do another clean my closet video at another time, but I'm starting to pull out my shoes and figure out what shoes I'm taking and rearrange this bag. I guess that could be a separate video. Okay. This is my trusty bag I always take on the plane with me or wherever I'm going, my backpack. I have masks that I got from work, the good ones, and I got some of these other play masks. So I don't want to breathe nobody else's air on the plane. Those are some of my extra glasses. I got my carnival playing cards in case someone wants to play cards. I have my beautiful cup that my sis Berna made for me. Can't forget that. Slide that in there now because if I forget it, I'm going to lose it. Throw these glasses in there. I'm probably going to put my iPad back down in a little pocket. One of my little smut books. The other one can go in my suitcase. All right, peeps. I've been rocking with these packing cubes for a couple of years. I mean, it organizes things, but I don't know if it keeps me from bringing more stuff. So I got a couple of sets of these, but I have two big ones. Clothes, underwear. I don't know what this is, but I guess some more clothes. I'm not pulling out all those clothes. That's going to be on one side. On this other side, I just got one pair of sneakers. And I have special wine that I like. So I'm going to see if this makes a mess. They had these jet bags that I hear people talk about. So I bought a set of 3 of these. I'm going to pad it with more foolishness. Just so it won't, you know. But on the inside, they supposed to have some stuff that's going to absorb if this thing busts. If it busts, I'm going to scream because it's like my favorite wine. So I'm going to have to get this stuff in here a little bit better or move some of these clothes around to put over there so it won't jostle. My shoes, I got a bunch of shoes, different sandals, all different colors. I don't never shop on Amazon, but I found these on Amazon and I love them. They're so cute and fun. So I'm gonna take them and see how they act. I know, I mean, I'm not gonna expect much from them because I think they was like $30 or $40, but I'm gonna roll with it. It's gonna be what it's gonna be. I'm gonna put my shoes in a whole separate bag. I don't know, something wrong with me. I already know that I like to have my shoes. I'm gonna bring a carry-on bag. That's gonna be my little carry-on suitcase right here. And I'll put all my shoes in it. And this little purses. I just like to have stuff for me. I mean, the clothes, I want my clothes too, don't get me wrong, but I be liking to walk with my shoes. So basically I'm just gonna put my shoes, if they don't already come in bags. I got some extra ones here that I use for one, so they don't get messed up. And for the main part, because I'm like super OCD, I don't be wanting my shoes, because shoes be everywhere. I don't be wanting my shoes touching my clothes, especially my clean clothes. Now, after the fact, that don't matter, but my clean clothes, no ma'am, Pam. So I'll just put some of these in these bags, so that when I get ready to, I think I'm gonna wear these on the plane. So when I get ready to put them in that other bag, they'll be ready. So I feel like I have too much stuff for a 4-day cruise, for a 5-day, going down a day early. But I'm indecisive sometimes on what I want to put on. It just depends on my mood. So I have to have a few options. I really got enough in there in case I was going on a 7-day cruise, but it is what it is. And knowing me, because I get lazy, especially if I start drinking or I get too relaxed, I ain't gonna change. But I know I'll at least change. I have to have something for the daytime and the nighttime. We have a couple of parties we're supposed to do, so I'll see. Well, thanks for listening to my first video on YouTube. And I'll catch you guys later.